Come hither, poses and whiskers on kittens, big rubber dildos and butts that go shittin', brown paper bags filled with porno that swings. These are a few of my favorite things. Pink puffy nipples and thick apple bottoms, edible undies and strippers named Autumn, sex grease that helps to remove a cock ring. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white panties with big hairy gashes, pure uncut snow on my nose and eyelashes, silver-haired grannies that still wear G-strings. These are a few of my favorite things. When I get crabs, when my pee stings, when I wanna frown, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't